Nintendo Switch has been out for about 4 years now, and now is the time that they're finally talking about making some pretty significant upgrades. One of these is going to be that there are rumors that in 2021 they're going to be releasing a 7-inch OLED model with a possible 4K gaming when docked. So that's a pretty big step up from what it currently is, and I think it's going to do extremely well. So the first Nintendo Switch debuted 4 years ago. It's killed it ever since, done amazing. 2 years ago, they released a less expensive, more affordable model called the Switch Lite. And during all of this, sales of the Nintendo Switch have been skyrocketing, and the Nintendo Switch is really doing extremely well, and the sales could eventually catch up to the Wii. They've already sold more systems than the Nintendo 3DS, still behind the Wii, but I feel like every single kid you see has a Nintendo Switch. It's really the next sort of gaming platform. It's like PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, and Nintendo Switch. Now, if they have a 4K, it just levels it up even more. Right now, they said that there are rumors that Nintendo Switch has been talking with developers to make games that can be used in 4K. They have the software and capabilities to be 4K. So with all of these talks going on, I think we'll definitely see a 4K, if not this year, next year. It's going to happen. It's inevitable. It's just a matter of when, and I think probably in 2021. We have been hearing a lot of rumors about it, and this will be exciting for a lot of people. We're going to probably see these sell out, sell a lot of them, just like we saw at the PlayStation 5. That was a really big thing as well.